Oh, fantastic. You guys don't know this, but do you know the... Oh, we're live, right?
If everything is correct, then we're live. Yes.
Okay, so Stefan says if everything's live, then it's good. So hopefully you guys can hear me. Yep, we're live here on my laptop. So thank you for joining. Awesome that you guys are there. We have a special guest, as you guys can tell. We have the amazing Arturo, who is accountantana from Suriname. You want to introduce yourself and just say what you do or who you are?
Well, I think you did already pretty good job.
He's an awesome dude. I met him at the Conservatoire here in The Hague. I'm pointing in this way because it's in this direction, but that doesn't mean anything to you guys. Yeah, and Lynn's already joining us. She has her gin poured ready. So Lynn is a good friend of my parents, and she always drinks gin and tonic while she watches. So it's become a thing.
What's her name?
Lynn.
Oh, hi Lynn.
Lovely to have you here. Guys, say hello in the chat. We have, it's going to be awesome today because Arturo sings beautifully and we just jam really nicely. So you've got a lot to look forward to. Otherwise, guys, just say hello in the chat and then we will start at some point soon. Give people some time just to walk in and give time for Steph to work out how to do Facebook and Instagram. So Hida and Joao have a rehearsal today because they're in a Dowland project. Or not Dowlanden project, but it's mainly English music and a lot of it is Dowland. So they're in that tonight, and that's why we have these two amazing boys with us instead of the normal boys. So I have a very good supply of boys here in The Hague. Have you ever done a live concert before?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, this is exciting. Nice. It's really cool that you're able to join us. So thank you in advance.
It's a pleasure.
We had a rehearsal on Wednesday, and it was just like one of those moments where we haven't played together for ages, right? We used to do it quite a lot. We did it a lot in the central station in The Hague, because there's a piano there, and then we would just sit and jam, and then it was just like, And we hadn't done it for ages, and then we had a rehearsal on Wednesday, because I'd asked him, and we wanted to run through some stuff. And then just like the first line of everything, and it was just like...
But it's true, it's so nice to play with you.
Exactly, and the same with you. It's absolutely awesome. So I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as we enjoy it, and if not, then that's fine, because we're going to have fun anyway. That's what it's about. You guys have seen Stefan already. I'm sure he will... Do you remember how to do the thing?
The webcam thing?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'll show my face on the webcam.
Awesome. Stefan will be showing himself at inappropriate moments during the concert. During the really sad parts, you'll just see Steph with his steamed up glasses. Joao's just saying have a good concert. Thank you. Oh, it's very sweet. So we will miss Joao and Hida today, but they'll be back here next week with a load of Christmas songs for everybody. So that's going to be very fun and lots of very cool cool arrangements? I'm doing them. Arrangements of very cool songs. So, if any of you know any jokes, then say it in the comments. Lynn says, nice to meet you. And loud and clear in Goran Haven. Okay, so we've got the go-ahead from our number one fan, Goran Haven. What do you want to start with? Oh, I know what we have to start with. Amazing Grace, right?
Okay, let's start with Amazing Grace.
This is just a nice one to get you all warmed up. Remember, guys, if there's any problems with the sound, let us know in the chat, and Stefan can... that is a very good... Zou ik jouw nummer met 2 mensen kunnen delen?
Ja.
En dan kunnen ze weggaan. So we have some very hardcore fans who watch and text Joao whenever there's a problem.
How's that what it usually does?
Yeah, so then but then the funny, Pedro says, are we sure we have the mics on?
Which ones? You can...
Pedro, which mics?
Which mics?
You cannot hear anything?
Maybe we have to talk to test it out.
Yeah.
So let's carry on talking.
Yeah. I'll talk to Pedro.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Are they on? I answered too many questions.
No. Just testing the mics out.
Okay.
We did do a sound test. I tell was just sat there watching like, yeah. Am I supposed to be singing? Anything? Don't worry, this. Oké, zag je dat, Stef?
I heard een beep.
Ja. Oh ja.
I do hear a beep.
I hoorde het. Ik hoor het hier wel. Hoor je dat?
Ja.
Is it my phone, maybe?
Nee, denk ik niet.
En nu is hij weg. Nu hoor ik hem.
Nee.
Komt het uit je laptop?
Ja. Maar dat is dus wat mensen horen.
Ah, oké. Ik hoor nu niks.
Okay, boys. Well, not boys. Everybody watching.
Boys and girls.
We should. I've messaged Rob, but. Yeah. Also. Oh. The joys of doing live concerts. I mean, if I have my way. I was gonna sneeze, but Corona. If I have my way, then all of y'all watching would just be sat here in the room, and it would be much more bizarre. And that was the thing. Steph came a few weeks ago to like learn how to do it, and we asked him what he thought of it, and he just goes, "Well, it's really sad because now I realize how bad the quality is when we watch at home, like when you experience it live." And it's true. But the very exciting news is, and hold me to this. Next year, I want to properly start doing some albums of stuff we do with this, just so there's something that isn't just like thrown online and just like sent into the abyss, never to be heard again. But I actually want to go into a recording studio properly and do some stuff. Some of that's with the boys, with Hit It and Joao, some famous stuff that you guys know. But also with Arturo, I want to go in and do a load of these songs which are going to hit tonight as well, to have like a really good another album for you guys to put on your Spotify playlist, which would be very cool. And Arturo's already said yes. I'm not sure if he's regretting it already. So no.
Yeah.
But that's.
That's a strange. I don't hear it here, so maybe it's coming from the laptop itself.
Zou je eventueel Joao kunnen bellen?
Ja, ik had hem al een bericht gestuurd.
Het enige is dat als hij in de repetities, dat hij misschien niet checkt. Anyway, does anyone know any jokes? Oh, sorry. I thought I muted my laptop. That was very countertenor-y of me. Sorry. I started reacting. Tim Braithwaite does that a lot. Like whenever he reacts, it's always very woo, woo. Tim Braithwaite's an amazing countertenor who we know, and he always does that, and it's very.
Oh, I have lessons from him now.
Do you?
Pay attention to.
Which lessons do you have?
The historical development of the voice.
Super. Oh, with Joao.
With Joao together,
Yeah,
yes.
right.
Yeah.
Ja. Ja, super. Toen ik weer aan het appen was. Toch? Dat was, of was dat in Frans? Nee.
Ik weet niet meer.
Ja, ik was toen jij aan het appen. En je zei ja, zo gefocust. Zo
Oh, dat was Italiaans.
Ah, oké.
Ja. En Joao met zijn gekke achtergrond.
Ja, dat is nu veranderd in een van Rick and Morty.
Hij heeft echt elke les aan.
Ah ja?
Echt waar. Echt elke les heeft
Ik dacht dat voor een langere tijd hij had die van hel. En toen was hij in een les en toen ging de docent klagen. Dat
Oh, echt?
Nou, niet echt klagen, maar ze maakten wel commentaren van, yo, wat. En hij zei, want dit dat hoorde ik een beetje, want ik was aan het wc.
Ja.
En toen ging ik naar buiten om een kop thee te maken. En dan zegt hij, hoorde ik, is deze beter? Is dit beter?
Ja.
En dit? En dat? En ik dacht van, yo,
Maar dat is dus
dat jullie tijd nemen in de les.
maar dat is dus echt een grap nu. Elke les, op 10, er zijn een paar mensen in de klas. Ja, gewoon doorzoeken welke ze het leukst vinden voor die les. Ja, dat
Ja.
krijg je met online lessen.
Maar is het leuk? Online lessen. Voelt als een beetje een interview. Hoe is dat voor jou?
Voor mij werkt het best. Oh my god, dit is echt een interview. Ja, voor mij werkt het best goed, maar ja, je moet het nou net fijn vinden.
Ja.
Ik weet het, voor sommige lessen werkt het goed, voor anderen niet. Maar goed, moet ik er even mee leven.
Ja, inderdaad. Ik bedoel, het is niet...
Nee.
Nog steeds?
I'm gonna check. Ik ga alle microfoons één voor één uitzetten en checken of het door een van de microfoons komt of zo.
Okay.
Moet ik hem gewoon doorgaan? Sorry.
Yeah, okay. So we just get to talk and chill. This is what you're paid for, so you're welcome. No, yeah, guys, remember the Christmas ones are going to be absolutely awesome. So make sure you're here every Friday in December. I mean, you have free will and can do what you want, but make sure you're here. Because it's going to be very, very cool. Stefan's still just fucking with the mic, so I'm hoping you guys can hear this. Otherwise, yeah, then tough.
Yeah. But this is the same on Facebook en Instagram.
Nee, want dat gaat door een ander systeem.
Ah, oké.
Dus dan Bookface en Instagram.
Bookface.
Dat is echt wat ik had toen ik 15 was of zo. En nu is dat gewoon zo blijven hangen. Want dat is dan gewoon op de mobiele. Dus dan
Ja, oh ja.
meestal. Maar...
Wil je anders mijn mobiel gebruiken op YouTube kijken?
Nee, want dat moet dan echt, want het gaat weer in een microfoon en een andere microfoon.
Ah, oké. How to remove people. Google je dat?
Ik zit te denken, misschien is het feedback. Van
Ja.
die naar die. Zou je die even gewoon, gewoon even weg doen? En nu stil?
Nou, het vervelende is, ik hoor het hier niet te
oké.
biepen. Ik hoor het alleen online. Maak het schotelijk geluid.
Piano of praten?
Allebei.
Okay. So, when I was 14, I joined a choir and we used to sing things like this. And it was very fun. And my favorite song was Oh When the Saints. And we sang in parallel fifths, of course. And then in like playing in canon with myself.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
Well, they do hear you on YouTube. The voice and the piano
Maar met beep.
with a beep. Yeah.
Maybe it's one of these mics, but are they here always?
Nee, ze zijn er altijd. Is there any other songs that you were thinking of that we could do in that album? I mean, while the two of us together, we might as well just do like everything we know, right?
Why not?
I mean, it's like it's no preparation.
Yeah.
If you have any ideas, like let me know. You know. Like,
It would be really cool.
sorry.
It would be really cool.
Yeah.
About it. I mean, the ones we have today are really nice. This is my music.
Maybe there's other Surinamese stuff we can do.
Oh yeah.
Also, we could like sit down and have one or two rehearsals where we do go through and I teach you like some ornaments and like things to do with it, you know? Like, I love that you've done that in like 4 of the songs now already. It's a nice ornament, right?
Yeah.
Like, just at the end of the phrase.
Yeah, it's already my ending song phrases. Yeah.
Oh, apparently they're back.
Yeah. The beep is gone.
Oh, the beep is weg.
Yes.
Hoera.
Hip hip.
Happy birthday. Okay, so y'all can hear. Right, we love Benjamin if you guys can hear and the mics are working. Sorry, we love Benjamin and Arturo. You haven't heard him yet, but trust me. Oh ja, Amazing Grace. Sorry, ik heb al vergeten wat we gingen doen. So maybe it's a good... So Arturo studies at the conservatoire, but I didn't actually meet him there because he was already... I was already graduated. So we were doing this project at the American Protestant Church in The Hague, which is where I sing every Sunday before Corona. What was the first one we did? Like Highlights from the Messiah or something, right? Or something.
From the St. Matthew's Passion, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
And then you were singing and then we met each other and then we got on really well and then
we started singing on the central station.
Because they dropped us off, right? So they drop us off.
Yeah.
And
with Anna as well.
Yeah, Anna and Carolina
exactly,
oh, that's really nice.
I did some really nice stuff.
Yeah.
We sang Happy Birthday for my grandma.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
happy.
Oh,
She
that's
was
so,
so happy.
cute. That's really nice. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes we just have like problems with the sound.
Yeah, are they not? It's not solved yet. I thought it was.
Yeah. Should we start singing stuff?
Yeah. Everything is okay, just the volume, so I'm
Okay,
a bit
just
higher.
Yeah.
E major. Sorry, A major.
Yeah.
Is dat
We kunnen
lager of
wat is de hoogste?
E?
Oké, dat is goed. Laten we het eentje lager doen.
Eentje lager?
Ja. Nee, dat is mooi.
Okay, well here goes. We're going to start with Amazing Grace, and I hope it works. Thank you guys for joining, and yeah. Isn't he amazing? Through many dangerous toils and snares, we have already come. 'Twas grace hath bought us safe thus far, and grace my heart Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now So nice to sing with you. Oops. Okay, it should be right. Let's just keep going. En Stefan gaat ons laten weten als er iets mis is. Okay. We have a thumbs up from Stefan, so it should be okay. People at home, I hope you enjoy it. We're just going to keep doing our thing. If there's anything, just let Steph know in the comments. What would you... Down by the Sally Gardens.
Okay.
In Dutch?
Yeah. That's famous, man.
Yeah, Amazing Grace. Or the Sally Gardens.
Sally Gardens.
Yeah, as well. This is this is the famous Ans Bouter, because I sing like millions of her translations, and they're just super nice. She's one of the only people who I've seen or found who translates into Dutch, and Dutch people themselves are like, "Oh, that's really nice. I didn't know Dutch could sound that good." And I'm like, if a Dutchie says Dutch sounds good,
that's really good.
You know it's good. And it's quite funny. I sometimes send Ans like songs saying, "Oh, what would you think about this?" And she's like, "The text is too dramatic for Dutch people, so I have to make it really like nuchter." She's always like, "It's too emotional." Okay, so she's like, "There's none of the imagery is the same, but the song is like." Jij eerst couplet.
Okay.
Ik 1 couplet in het Engels. Samen tweede couplet in het Nederlands.
Oké dan.
Ja?
Ja.
my love undied meet. She passed the Sally gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the grass grows on the tree. But I, being young and foolish with her, would not sprak Down in the river to
Oh, that was so nice. Thank you, Arturo. Dankjewel. Ah. Hey, Will. Billy. Nice that you're joining us. Oh man, isn't Arturo just the best? Absolutely fantastic. Just go straight on.
Okay.
You guys will know this one, so you guys can hum along at home.
When I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of
He is magnificent, right? Billy says you're magnificent.
Oh,
And that's
thank
absolutely
you.
true.
Thank
Arturo
you.
is the best countertenor this side of the world.
Oh.
Yeah, also, how is France? Let me know how France is. That's. I hope you're well. Yeah, I think it's time for some musical action.
Oké, doe.
Stefan, zou jij een glas water voor mij kunnen pakken?
Ja.
Dankjewel. Ja,
Even wachten.
wat dan?
Ga jij spelen? Oh, oké.
Of course, now everybody already knows what it is with that interval. That's a very, very noticeable interval.
Ja. Spoiler.
And people get 10 points if they know, if non-musicians know the composer of what I play in between, and if musicians know which piece I play in between. There we go. There's like tiered knowledge.
Oh.
That's it's not that hard. I think you all should get it. Thank you. Thanks.
Alsjeblieft.
What's the... Oké. Ik doe 1 couplet. Jij 1 couplet. Dan tussendoor. En dan
Tijd.
jij 1 couplet, ik 1 couplet. En dan samen 1 couplet. Oké, dus ik, jij, samen. Dus, en dan Duits, Engels, Engels, Duits.
Ah, we doen het heel licht. Oké.
Ja? Snap je?
Nog een keer.
keer?
Ja.
Ik Duits, jij Engels. Dus wat
Oké,
jij moet
nee.
weten, jij zingt het tweede couplet Engels.
Oké.
Derde couplet... Nee, dat is niet zo. Wacht even hoor. Oké, dan jij derde couplet... The countertenor effect.
Loading.
Ja, nee, dit is echt error, fear no fear.
Wat we kunnen doen is ook de helft tijd. De andere helft
Wat
tijd.
deden we afgelopen
Ja,
keer?
de ene helft tijd zing ik de andere helft tijd in Engels. En ik kan het wel.
Ja, en dan andersom. Dus dan
Oké.
na de middenstuk, dan zing jij eerst helft
Oké.
stuk Engels, ik tweede stuk Engels, dan samen Duits. Het zit spiegelt elkaar.
Oké.
Snap je?
Oké, ik kijk naar jou.
Goed.
Ik kijk naar jou.
Edelweiß, du grüßt mich jeden Morgen. Sehe ich
Oh.
That was very cute. So, did anybody get the song? No.
No?
Maybe next time. What else do we have on the list? Shall we gather?
Let's gather.
Oh, and then after this we can go straight into the Surinamese ones? No, let's do those ones later.
Yeah.
Shall we gather by the river, where bright angel feet have trod, with its crystal tide forever flowing by the throne of God? Yes, we'll gather by the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints by the river that flows by the throne of Soon we'll reach the shining river. Soon all pilgrimage will cease. Soon our happy hearts will quiver with the melody of peace. Yes, we'll gather by the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints by the river that flows by the throne of God. That flows by the throne Soon we'll reach the shining river. Soon our pilgrimage will cease. Soon our happy hearts will quiver with the melody of peace. Yes, we'll gather by the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints by the river
nice, Arturo.
Thank you.
Lovely having you, Will, if you're still here. Thanks for joining. Guys, if you have any requests, let us know. Arturo also knows a lot of songs, so, you know, if you suddenly want to... Lynn says, I used to sing this at chapel when I was young. I didn't sound as good as this, though. Well, I'm not sure what to say to that. I'm sure you still sounded lovely, and there's also something to be said for, you know, like a group of 10 people all singing the same thing but not quite the same thing, and having that really nice like community feel, you know. I miss singing in church on Sundays. Something I never thought I'd say, but let's do something Dutch. De Haag.
Okay. So this is a very cute song about the...
Yeah, do you want to explain it?
Well, the name is Wat voor weer zou het zijn in Den Haag, and
which means
what kind of weather will it be in The Hague, and that's really what it's about, and it's about missing The Hague a bit, and well, we are in The Hague now, but it's good for people who miss The Hague.
I'm just trying to see. The thing is, the first verse is a little bit tricky. Which key do we do it in? E flat. So it just goes. It goes through the whole time, just saying, and this, and this, and this, and it's just all these like really typical, very Dutch things.
Yeah.
So that's about it. If you speak Dutch, enjoy. If you speak English, enjoy me and Arturo singing La 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 in very typical Dutch style. Als ik weg ben voorgoed uit dit land, als ik woon bij Montreux of bij Nice, in een bungalow dicht bij het strand, waar het weer niet zo goed is en vies, lig ik Oh, such a nice song. Arturo, like 2 minutes before the concert started, said, "Oh, you know which one we should do? We should do this one." And so that was a bit smart.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pierre. Hvala. Nice that you're there. What else? Of course. I don't need the text because I'm not singing.
What are we doing?
Do you want to tell the story?
So, my grandpa used to be a really good guitar player as well, and when I was a bit older on Fridays, I would get guitar lessons from him. And actually, what I was just hoping for, that after that he would play and I could sing, and that was the fun part. And this is one of the songs, and it's actually, since my grandfather passed away, this is one of the songs I remember him by, and so it's a song very close to my heart.
Thank you for singing it with us.
the moonlight of all passed away. Beautiful dream, poor queen of my soul. Lost while I wander with soft melody. Gone are the cares of life's busy throng. Beautiful dreamer, awake unto me. Beautiful dreamer, awake unto me.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing that with us. That's really, really lovely. What else do we have on the list?
You want to do your
Would you like a rest?
Yeah.
Yep, yep. Okay, guys, remember, anybody watching, I know you've probably all heard me say it a million times, but for anybody watching who isn't subscribed, make sure you click subscribe, make sure you click the like button, make sure you show Arturo lots of love in the comments, and make sure you guys check out Petje Af, which is where we're accepting all of our donations for everything. We really appreciate it, and it helps me and primarily Hidde and Joao pay rent. So it's going directly to artists. So in a way, it's like giving to charity. But I don't think you can take it off from your taxes. So unfortunately, we'll work on that. I'll ring the president and see what he has to say about it. President, Prime Minister. What does Netherlands have?
Prime Minister.
Premier.
Yeah.
What's that in English? Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna do two little Dutch ones. I think 2 Dutch ones. What did I have to do? I had the text somewhere. Oh yeah. And I also decided to do this like 2 minutes before it started, so I hope it goes right. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. My laptop keeps turning off, so that's a bit frustrating. Ik heb de kar getrokken naar waar ik nu sta. Door weer en wind ben ik alleen gegaan. Te midden van de wereld, gedacht dat ik iets wist. Nooit dat gevoeld of iets gemist. Ik ben van niemand volgens mij. Ik ben een eenling in de strijd. Nee, ik wil mezelf niet kwijt. Maar als ik ooit van iemand zou moeten zijn, liefde zonder eind, een eeuwig klinkend glas. Geef mij je hand, geef me deze kans. Neem me als de man die ik zonder jou niet ben. Mag ik deze dans? Heb een licht laten gaan. En op een blik behouden waard. Te midden van de wereld zag ik plots
als ik ooit van niemand zou moeten zijn. Liefde zonder eind, een eeuwig klinkend glas. Geef mij je hand, geef me deze kans. Neem me als de man die ik zonder jou niet ben. Mag ik deze dans? Maar als ik ooit van iemand zou moeten zijn, liefde zonder eind, een eeuwig klinkend glas. Geef mij je hand, geef me deze kans. Neem me als de man die ik zonder jou niet ben. Mag ik deze dans? Buien maken vlekken op mijn hagelwit humeur. Ik heb mijn handen op je heupen, maar mijn hoofd is bij de deur. Ze zeggen dat ik wend, ik heb het geprobeerd. Maar hoe ik ook gewend afkeer, mijn huis beschermt niet meer. Het regent harder dan ik hebben kan, harder dan ik drinken kan. Het regent harder dan de grond aan kan, harder dan ik hebben kan. Je buien zijn de wolken aan mijn hemelsblauw humeur.
applaudisseren. Dankjewel. Die tweede nummer was... ik vergat de melodie van de couplet. Hola Maria. Oh. Which one did you love, Jude? That's interesting. My mom just said she liked one of them and I didn't think she'd like either of them. So, zullen we doorgaan met wat andere Nederlandse nummers?
Ja.
Ken jij iets in het Portugees toevallig? Ik bedoel, ja.
Nee.
Nee, oké. Want we hebben een kijk van Portugal. Dus ik dacht dat zou wel leuk zijn.
Okay.
Maar, nee.
Ja, ik durf het niet.
Nee, oké. Ik durf het niet te zeggen.
Nee. Wat zullen we doen?
Weg bij jou? Of een andere? Of Jij bent de liefde? Ik denk dat Jij bent de liefde mooi is als jij dat zo solo zingt. Want met de akkoord, met de key changes, ik weet niet of dat dan echt werkt. Weet je? Hey, Hidde.
Oh, hi Hidde.
Fear my wrath. Hij hit.
Wat zegt hij?
Hij zei fear my wrath. Vrees mijn vreed.
Oh.
Ja.
Ach, Hidde is zo lief.
Is ook zo.
Ja.
Want, je bent een lieve jongen.
Welke je bent.
Oh, zullen we die straks doen? Of wil je die nu doen? Laten we Jij bent de liefde. Ik voel me even in een Nederlandse bui.
Oké.
We hebben nog een half uur, dus we hebben nog tijd voor,
Ja.
voor alles. Ja?
Oké. Laten we proberen.
Okay, we're gonna try it. We ran through this like 3 minutes on Wednesday, but it's a beautiful song. So wish us luck.
Ja.
Sorry, is dat niet een goede...
Dan wordt het heel hoog op het einde. Oké. Ik weet echt niet wat je speelt.
Nee, ik moet gewoon even de akkoorden uitwerken, joh. Nee, dan doen we het zo.
Oké.
Ik moduleer voor mijn couplet en dan gaan we terug naar de jou.
Oké.
Oké, goed?
Ja.
Vanaf en als het tegen zit, gaan we naar de originele sleutel. Dat probeer ik duidelijk te maken, oké? Okay, this is a really, really beautiful... I think this is the nicest Dutch song.
Ja.
It's really,
it's
really
a bold
beautiful.
statement to me.
But I mean, I think it's definitely in the running.
It's definitely in the running.
It's really...
It's one of my favorites.
Do you want to say who does it?
Well, it's from Kenny B. And he's this really cool guy from Suriname. And he writes such incredibly beautiful songs.
But you know this isn't his, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's who is it? It's a Dutch dude.
A Dutch dude.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. But man, this is so beautiful.
But it's really beautiful. It's who is it?
Okay, he sings it really beautifully.
He does sing it really beautifully. Yeah. Guus Meeuwis. Heeft hij dit geschreven? Ja.
Heeft Guus Meeuwis dit
Denk
geschreven?
ik wel.
Echt?
Ja.
Laten we googlen.
Ja, denk ik wel. We googlen het even. Ja, Guus Meeuwis heeft het origineel gedaan, maar hij heeft dit voor Kenny B geschreven.
Oh. Oké. Anyway, je zingt dit heel mooi. Geef mij eens je handen, kijk in mijn ogen. Ik zit vol van iets dat jij moet weten. Geheel mijn hart heb ik aan jou gegeven.
nooit de worst. Ik heb altijd echt zo'n soort van super mooi overgang gemaakt. En dan denk ik, oh, wacht even, tekst. Okay, this is the first thing that me and Arturo ever sung together, and like the first note that we sung together, we were like, "This is it. This is the best thing ever."
Yeah.
Well, at least that's how I felt. So.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's very sweet. Hidde is boos omdat we in het Nederlands praten.
Oh.
Nou, hij zegt, what are you guys saying? What language is that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, weet je, there's a country called the Netherlands, which is in Europe, and it's sort of like in the north, a little bit next to Germany and the UK. And in that country, they actually speak Dutch. You'd think it would be called Netherlandish because, like, that's how most countries work. But actually, so me and Arturo were speaking a language called Dutch, which is in the Netherlands. And I live in The Hague, which is also in the Netherlands. A lot of people know Amsterdam because of the red light district, and that's also in Amsterdam. So, the more you know. Ja. Dat zou je niet weten. Dat,
Nee, nooit. Ik heb nooit aan gedacht.
Olá, Marta. João não é de speak Português. Você não percebes nada. Eu acho que é um problema com o seu... Oh, if she doesn't hear anything, then there's no point in me saying anything. But people have sound. As pessoas... Anyway, Lucinda said, what a special sound. It was beautiful. And my mum put a love heart. So that's very sweet. That was a nice... I like the medley of those two together.
Yeah.
It's very cool. Do we have... What else do we have, Arturo? Oh, of course. Yeah, bruv. Sorry. It's all just B flat, right? Ja. Ja, het is allemaal best. En ik hoef geen muziek verder. Ja, maar weet je, laten we Yesterday doen en dan...
Ja.
You know the... ken je de tekst?
Van Yesterday?
Ja.
Daar ga ik de telefoon.
Ah, oké.
Haha. Yes.
Dus we doen deze en dan gaan we direct over in die twee nummers. Oké? En dan we doen maar gewoon wat, hè?
Oké. Misschien moet ik daar nu even iets over vertellen.
Ja.
Oké. So, we gaan eerst Yesterday
In
zingen.
het Engels.
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh shit. So we're first gonna sing Yesterday. And after that we'll...
By the Beatles.
By the Beatles, yeah.
I know not many of you would know that, so...
After that, we'll
finish.
We'll finish with two Surinamese songs, two songs from the country I'm from. The first one is called Lolo Mi Boto. Oh, by the way, they're in Surinamese in Sranantongo also. The first called is Lolo Mi Boto, which means pedal on in the boat, and we may hit some hard waves and wind, but we'll get there. And the second song is Mi Kondre Tru, which is like the most known, the most famous folk song of Suriname, which is also about Suriname. So that enjoy.
Oh, I just had the text, now I've lost it.
You want me to send it to you?
No, that's... Oh wait, it was open. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Weet je hoe we het gaan doen?
Nee?
Jij begint, 2 coupletten in een strof,
Okay.
2 coupletten in een refrein. Doe ik 1 couplet, dan ga ik doen. Dan zingen we samen 1 refrein en 1 couplet. Dus eigenlijk precies hoe het staat in de tekst.
Okay.
En dan zing ik laatste couplet. Nee, de middenste couplet zing ik dan gewoon in mijn eentje. En jij zingt de rest wel. Dus Yesterday Love was such an easy game to play zing jij niet. En de rest zing je wel. De eerste keer dat we dat zingen.
Oké, de eerste keer begin jij. Begin ik.
Jij zingt Some for Yesterday.
Okay.
En dan begin ik. Doe ik een strof.
En
En daarna dan vanaf YG
okay.
samen. Oké, goed. Oké.
Get the point. Yeah.
Absolutely amazing, Arturo.
Thank you very
Echt,
much.
Echt geweldig.
Oh.
Thank you for...
Oh, you're
yeah.
so welcome. I enjoyed this so much.
Good. Well, we're going to do it again.
Yeah.
Because on the 1st of January,
Right.
1st of January, Arturo is joining us again. We're pre-recording a session because I will probably be either in Limburg or Latvia, depending on travel. And, Arturo will be in Suriname, but you guys will be hearing us here from The Hague with Joao on the tech... I can't speak anymore. On doing technical stuff as our sound man. And we're going to pre-record that one for you. So remember, guys, this was it for the concert. A massive thank you to Arturo. Send him some love in the comments because he's awesome and deserves to know it. And also awesome. That's harder to say than it sounds. Also awesome is Stefan, who was our sound man and making sure everything worked behind the scenes. So thank you very much, Stefan. Dankjewel. Dankjewel, Arturo. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and not just in the chat, like write a comment underneath. And give us all your puli or your money at Petje Af underneath so that we can keep bringing you these concerts. That was it for today. It's been an amazing concert. Thank you for bearing with us, people who stay with us with the beep at the beginning. And and see you same time next week when we'll be back with Joao Gino and with Gino, and we will be doing lots of very kitsch Christmas arrangements, which I will be busy with doing this week. This week we have 3 recording sessions. Well, on Tuesday we're recording the one that's going out on Christmas with the organist, and on Thursday or Saturday we're recording the ensemble one. Tomorrow is the deadline for everybody to send in their concerts for the postcard concert that we're doing on the third week, yeah. And then obviously on the Friday we have the concert. So all of our December concerts are actually next week, if you know what I mean. So it's a hell of a lot of work for Joao, Wids and I. But fortunately then we get some time off in the run up to Christmas, which never happens as a musician, because normally Christmas is when we make all of our money. And this year, because of Corona, we get to do this instead, which is very fun. So thank you everybody for joining. See you this time next week. And we will keep the chat live, and we will carry on chilling around while we break the stuff down. So stick around. Ask us any questions you have about life. Hidda's already started. Is donating money tax deductible? I made that joke earlier, Hidda, but we will make it again next week. So Lynn Goldsmith, of course, the lovely, said, Arturo, you have an amazing voice and you compliment Ben's brilliant piano playing. Thanks for a great evening. The time flies by. Thank you for joining us, Lynn.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, I'm sure that you will enjoy the Spotify album that we are going to do, because for sure we are doing that. We need to get this stuff, like, I'm going to work on some arrangements as well to make it just a little bit spicier, you know, with like a lot of and that sort of stuff. We can actually sing parallel.
It's not ruined.
Just the parallel fifths is a running joke with Wids and Joao.
Yeah, I've noticed. I think I tuned in once and you were singing
in parallel fifths.
In parallel fifths.
Sure, we're literally always singing in parallel fifths. The fun thing is when you sing in parallel fifths on the street. So then you'll be singing a melody, it'll be in your head, and then it's like, oh wait, na na. And then you start like while you're walking now, like singing Happy Birthday to You, like. Sorry.
That's not really happy, but
I choose to believe it is.
Okay.
Oh, and we have to say thank you, because some of you do support us on Pitch Off, and we know that we've been a bit naughty and we haven't written your names in the comment yet, but thank you all so much for your support, because now we have all of our own equipment. We're not dependent on anybody. So thank you again once for that. That's it. Oh yeah. So now, anyway, we just break the stuff down and we leave this on because there's 11 people watching, so there's still more showtime. Guys, if you have anything you want to say, write it in the chat. Otherwise, we're just going to be doing our own thing. Ja, nou, dankjewel Arturo.
Heel graag gedaan.
Ja.
Jij ook, dankjewel voor de uitnodiging.
Graag gedaan. Moeten we vaker doen.
Ja.
En dat gaan we ook vaker doen. Dus dat is wel chill.
Ja.
En veel plezier in Suriname. Maar dat zeg ik je wel nog een keer later.
Dankjewel.
Man, toen jij begon die laatste te zingen, dacht ik ook echt van... Oké, nu is hij gewoon helemaal weg in Suriname. Dat is ook gewoon van de inzet, weet je? Gewoon van... En nu begint het.
Ja.
Echt van, dit gaat heel speciaal worden. Die kunnen we ook opnemen, hè? Ik denk in dit voorbewerking en ook met pittige akkoorden en zo. En
ja. Ik moet je het origineel laten horen. De Suriname
just you. Good night, everybody. Have a lovely weekend, everybody. Ja, ik weet niet of jij wil blijven 12 de dingen neerbreken, maar anders kunnen Stefan en ik dat gewoon doen. Nee, het is goed hoor. Vanaf nu is dit gewoon een beetje, omdat er mensen kijken, dan ja. 10 mensen die nog 10 minuten kijken, is nog een paar 100 minuten, nou een paar minuten.
Ja.
Dus. Wat betekent dit eigenlijk?
Mi Condretru is my dear country, mijn geliefd land. Mi love you is ik hou van je. Je mooi true naar mi ai. En dat is een soort van gezegd. Dus je bent mooi precies zoals je bent. Je bent mooi in mijn ogen. Nou, boom voor you, mi zoeken true. En ik zal altijd het allerbeste voor jou zoeken. Ja, ook Rimusuwai om het mooiste van jou te maken. En het tweede couplet is echt dit stukje grond waar ik ben, daar hou ik echt van. En dat God me hier heeft gezet om een tijd te besteden is het mooiste geschenk dat ik heb gekregen. En zo ga je verder.
Mooi. Ja, we hebben gewoon een volkslied, hè?
Het is echt een volkslied. Ja.
Wat is de officiële van Suriname?
Dat is God zijn met ons Suriname. Moet ik het zeggen?
Nou, nee, maar ik bedoel gewoon, is het een beetje zo? Of is het totaal anders? Of?
Het is echt anders. Dit is echt, het volkslied, dit wordt altijd bij, zeg maar, de officiële dingen gezongen, maar als je iemand vraagt een volkslied te zingen, dan zingen ze dit.
Ja, oké. Ja.
Maar dit is ook best oud en het volkslied, dat is bij onze onafhankelijkheid geschreven.
Oké.
Het is woensdag 45, afgelopen woensdag was het 45 jaar.
Oh, zo jong nog.
Ja.
Fuck Nederland, toch?
Ja.
Heb ik niet gezegd, sorry, ik ga van Oranje.
Is hij hier?
Ja, fuck Nederland. Ja.
Nee, ik woon hier.
Ja.
Ik woon hier.
Nee, ja, dat is ook zo. Ik was vandaag Civilization aan het spelen met Joao.
Wie?
Civilization, dat is gewoon een spelletje waar je verschillende civilizations mag
Ja.
spelen en dan tegen elkaar vechten en zo. En ik ging dus ik ging een oorlog met Nederland beginnen. En ik zei, oké, ik ga Nederland innemen. En dan zegt Joao, nee, ze hebben zoveel voor je gedaan. Ik bedoel, je woont hier. En ik dacht van, oké, het is maar een spelletje.
Ja.
Hoi.
Hoi.
We hebben, ja, ik zal ook zo'n ding even. We hebben voor de zangers een klein
gebeuren echt